Hello everyone, I am Peter from Autotech Vietnam. Today we'll show you how to use EPC. For example, when we find out the camshaft adjuster at the main function, we will find the right part number of camshaft adjuster and to replace. To find part number, we have to use EPC part catalog. Click on part catalog and now wait. You can take a cup of water if you want. %75% in 1 minute. Okay. And here is a some tip if you want to learn. EPC more efficiency. Okay. Not close it. I know that the engine camshaft adjuster is belong to engine. Choose the engine. Engine group. I will choose the engine management. Okay. Choose the camshaft warehousing and camshaft. Here you can see it is the part number. It is the part with number. It is the item with part number. You should to choose the right option of the car. Here, remember, take a look at car option to choose the right part number. Okay, it's just 5 minutes to use the EPC. They are on the powerful software of Mercedes dealer, and I think if you have software, you will easy to use them. I have to close the video now. See you in next video. Bye bye.